season long, we are soaking up summer on Twin Cities Live.
Yes, we are. Our next guest has a steak with a fun story behind it. Okay, look at this. This was 14 years ago today. Are you kidding me? That Rob Barrett of Cooking for Dads first appeared on Twin Cities Live. That's Rebecca Wood hosting that segment. Rob, who was in that? Was that Ellie in there?
That's Hathaway.
Oh, that's Hathaway.
Wow.
That's Rebecca's daughter. Oh my gosh.
Goodness.
So Rob is back with the recipe that he showed us many moons ago. It was quite a journey for you to get to this recipe, Rob. Look at that video. That's amazing. Look how cute.
Oh, man.
Hathaway is like graduating from high school.
She has graduated.
And she is like a musical superstar.
She's amazing.
She's a super
that's
talent.
awesome.
Oh, man.
So it was my first time ever on Twin Cities Live, right?
Yes.
You've been around a couple months, and they said, hey,
Very new show.
we'll book you before Father's Day. Can you make a Father's Day recipe? I'm like, beer and steak, let's do beer and steak. But beer is tough to cook with, so I work really hard. I try 5, 6 different things, and I finally get one that works, and so I send it in on the Wednesday before.
Okay.
And they say, great, and they call back and they say, hey, we have an idea. Can Hathaway, Rebecca's kid, cook with you? Now, W.C. Fields says, never cook with kids, right? Yeah. And I said, but what am I going to do? So I say, sure, we'll have her and I'll have her something for her to do. So then Thursday they call back and they say, you can't use beer.
Why?
Because Hathaway's in the segment.
Boy, we had weird rules back then.
Yes,
Christian, what was going on? What were you doing then?
You can't use beer. So I'm like,
unbelievable.
Oh no, what am I going to do? Are you going to push back? Are you going to say, okay, I got to figure something else out? So I go to the grocery store. My first time, I'm a little nervous, so I say, what else can we do? What else can we do? And I remember there was a thing at the State Fair about cooking with Coke. And so I saw the Coke. And I'm like, what if I replace the beer with Coke?
Sure.
And we'll do it that way. So I went home. Tried it, it worked great, typed it up, sent it in, and I went around 5 o'clock and they said, great. Then they called back and said, can you make enough for the whole studio audience? We used to do that, remember?
What were you doing to this man, Christian? I feel like you were in charge. You were definitely here. Okay.
So let's make the marinade first, and then I'll tell you some more of the story, because it gets even better.
Do you want to put it in this bowl?
Yeah, so pour that in there.
So was this your first soda choice? Was Coca-Cola? Or were you thinking maybe ginger ale could work? Or you just immediately went to Coca-Cola?
It was Coke, because I had seen it being used for cooking at the State Fair.
Yeah.
They had
like my mom makes a Coke ham. She used to make a ham with Coke. So this is probably
I made a chocolate cake with Diet Coke.
Yeah, that's her thing.
Oh, really?
Yes. It's 2 ingredients, Diet Coke and chocolate cake mix.
And that is the cake?
That's it. That's the cake.
You got to come back and make that here.
I'll do it.
You got to make that here.
I made
a minute-long cooking segment.
Done.
I made a salad dressing with Red Bull. It was only okay.
That sounds not
a lot of energy after that
So
salad.
we're going to take a Coke, and we're going to put in half an onion and watch what happens. It's going to transform the Coke.
What?
Of course it does.
Yes.
It's like a science
mystery marinade
It really
stuff.
is.
All right, so then you can put the steak in there.
Okay, so I'm going to take this giant steak. What is this? This is a big piece of meat.
You can use whatever you want. This is actually a ribeye from Aldi.
Yeah.
It's like a ribeye.
I really like the ribeyes from Aldi. It's great. Getting worked out already.
The ribeye is my favorite steak.
So we've got
delicious.
We've got a lot of flavors here. We've got the sweet from the Coke. We've got the bitter from the Coke. We've got the sour from the onion. We're covering all of our bases pretty well. So
how long do you want this to sit in here?
Between an hour and about 4 hours. So what we did today was 4 hours.
So not overnight. You're gonna get a little too sweet.
It's a little, might be gone.
Oh yeah. Oh boy.
The Coke just eats it away.
Right. So here was the takeaway from this. Life gives you lemons sometimes, and you just have to go with it. So I had all these kind of trials or surprises.
Right. Or Twin Cities Live producers who are making up bizarre, arbitrary rules.
It was new.
It was
new. But if I hadn't done that, if I had said, hey, I could have said, let's not have Hathaway in anymore, or if I had been difficult, we probably wouldn't be here today, right?
Rob.
And this recipe ended up being my first viral recipe. My Coke Marinated Steak video, if you want to see me when I was really young, went viral. The first one. Yeah, here it is.
Oh my gosh, look at you.
Wow.
Look at you, you little young pup.
You know how you see Tom Cruise in the newest movie and you go, he hasn't changed? No one's saying that now.
No, we're saying it.
No one's saying it.
I think you're
Everyone's saying, what happened to you?
You notice in this video, though, he also said you can also use beer.
Yeah.
He was like, take that, Christian.
Oh, by the way. Okay, so this is the first one to go viral. This was got me on Fox because it was Tom Butler's favorite recipe. This one got me on the Today Show.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Wow, that's so
if
cool.
we, but it was all, because of this weird, experience. If I had pushed back or not done it, I would have missed out. So
It's
it's like,
really cool, Rob. There's few things that you can look back at and kind of directly,
Right.
kind of have that correlation. I love that you can do that.
I think things happen in life for a reason. God knows what he's doing. That's, so if you're out there and things aren't going great or you got something weird, it's a Coke steak moment. And just go with it.
Now, what are all these other
We're going to
ingredients
do
here,
a rub then on top of it. So we're going to do both a rub and a marinade. So if you put 2 spoonfuls of that in there.
Go for it.
Yep.
Okay.
1 of
Now I'm gonna
salt.
bring this a little closer here.
There you go. 1 of pepper.
2 spoonfuls, yes.
2 spoonfuls of brown sugar.
Heaping.
Yes, of course.
Brown sugar?
A whole
Oh.
spoonful of pepper. I'll do a spoonful of salt. You do
Okay.
a spoonful of onion powder.
Like it.
Oh, this is a good little
I will
is.
do half a spoonful of paprika. Stir that up.
Okay.
Do that.
And then now you're done. I mean, I think it's fun to buy steak rubs and buy stuff like that, but making your own is just
So
using the
easy.
stuff that you have,
Yeah.
and it's
I
so much
love doing that.
cheaper.
Yeah, and this is more complicated than I do now. Now I do half brown sugar, half like Weber's Grill Mate.
Okay.
Half and half.
cake.
That's
And
cool.
so-
Jay's into the Bearded Butcher. He's into the Bearded Butcher
really?
rubs. He's been buying them and he loves them.
Ooh, I haven't tried those.
They're pretty good. I have to say,
I like putting a
them.
little espresso in my steak rubs.
Good call.
Yes, ground espresso beans.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
really good coffee.
Okay, that's awesome.
So pull this out. Do you have time? Just pull this out real quick.
Okay, do it.
Yeah.
Yep. So pretend like this was marinating for that long.
Right.
Yep. 4 hours, don't
4
go
hours.
longer.
Sprinkle
Gotta
that
be
on, and
petrified.
then make sure you get it around the edges as well.
Okay.
So just sprinkle
Here,
it
we can
on.
do it together.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Get it all-
Liberally, right?
And
Typically?
then you're gonna grill this, Rob, or what do you want to do?
We're gonna grill this for about 4 or 5 minutes each side
Okay.
until the required doneness.
All right. Well, we're
Other
gonna
side.
try this, Rob.
Yeah, there you go.
I mean, we're gonna get a bite, Laura. I'm gonna get you a bite on this
Okay.
pork. Does that sound good?
Got some brown sugar hands.
Yep,
yes,
we're good.
thank
Get a
you.
nice bite of steak. And we're gonna see about
That is good.
very good.
Thank you. It's
Mm-hmm.
life happens, and you just go with it, and you don't worry too much, and good things come of it.
And you get a really good tender steak.
Yes.
Good steak.
The flavor is incredible.
It's really, and the texture is so good. It's very tender. It's really delicious, Rob.
It's a tenderizer. Coke is a tenderizer.
Oh, for sure.
Did you patent this recipe, I hope?
I hope so.
Can you do that?
You can,
You
but
should.
probably not like that.
Probably not this one.
Right.
And the Coke people should call you. Rob,
Yes.
well, we're grateful for that because we've just loved every interaction with you over the last 14 years, and we hope for 14 more.
Exactly.
Sounds good. All right, we posted Rob's recipe, not patented, over on our website,
Yes, yes.
MissTwinCitiesLove.com.